ni'n barod I fynd I ôl dy he unwaith eto. Rydw i'n cael prawf llygad a gobeithio gael pethau I rwy'n I helpu coesa fi neu llefydd sy'n brifo. Ac dwi'n mynd yna I gael y tablet I newydd. Ond fi jyst yn ars y bws car efo dad.
I fell by the wayside like everyone else. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, but I was just kidding myself. Or every moment I started a place, 'cause now that they're gone, all I hear were the words that I needed to say. When you hurt under the surface, like troubled water running cold. Well, time can heal, but this won't. So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you were the storm to weather. So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? It kills me how your mind can make you feel so worthless. So, before you go, was never the right time, whenever you're cold. Went little by little by little until there was nothing at all. Or every moment I started to play, but all I can think about is seeing that look on your face. When you hurt under the surface, like troubled water running cold. Well, time can heal, but this won't. So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you were the storm to weather. So,
Rydw I adre o dy he, a rydw I wedi blino, ond fi dal yn hapus iawn. A sy'n y pwyntiau llygad yn iawn hefyd, a ella bod fi wedi dweud hynny ddech chi, oedd llygaddefi, o'n i wedi colli golwg y llygaddefi, ond mae chydig yn well wan, so hynna'n newyddion da. Ond roedden nhw'n deud, roedd llygad fi chydig yn sych, felly dwi wedi cael drops I helpu nhw. Hefyd rydw I wedi gael rheumatology heddiw, sef pobl sy'n gweld neu coesa well neu beth pan maen nhw'n brifo. Ie, beth yna. Nath fi fynd I weld o, a nath nhw'n dweud bod yn iawn, ag y triniaeth rydw I wedi gael oedd wedi achosi fo. Ond maen nhw wedi deud, fel mae'r amser yn mynd ymlaen, wnaeth nhw gryfhau a gryfhau, felly fynd nhw'n brifo eto. Rydw I hefyd wedi cael tabledi newydd, fel hydrocortisone. Dim rhaid o'n i'n gael, ond dwi wedi cael rei tabledi wan. O tabledi oedd chi hefyd. Don't watch. Ia, ond maen nhw wedi deud, alla fydd e'n mynd chydig y sal neu diblino mwy na arfer. Diblino lot, felly. Fel dwi'n gael nhw, ond dwi'n meddwl wneud nhw wella, fel maen nhw'n mynd ymlaen. Mae nhw wedi dweud dwi gofod gael hyn am tua mis. Croesi besedd bydden nhw'n gweithio. A gobeithio fy gyda fi mwy o egni hefyd. Tara am wan, diolch am wylio. Ta dwi'n mynd i ymlacio.